Hey everybody, welcome back to Simple Outdoors. Tonight I'm going to do a little camping in the woods by the lake. It's supposed to thunderstorm in a couple of hours. So I got everything in my backpack. Car's parked back there. And I want to set up the tarp and everything before it starts raining again. Whew. Raincoat's a little hot with the humidity. It's about 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It's going to go down to about 60 Fahrenheit tonight I mean. And I'm going to decide which campsite I want to camp at tonight. I didn't bring the gimbal because it's supposed to be thunderstorms tonight. Mosquitoes are definitely out. So I'll bring you all back when I get closer down to the lake and figure out what spot I want to camp at. Alrighty, I'm back at one of the spots that I camped at before. It's slightly sprinkling just a little bit, just a little spritz. So I'm gonna get my tarp set up and then my tent. So I'm gonna do that.
Way back in the woods, way back where I should go, way back where the knotty pine fade away.
Okay, I got the tarp set up. I'm gonna get the tent and everything set up underneath that. I'm gonna try to start a fire later, but it's supposed to thunderstorm. So I'm gonna set up the tent and the sleep system and all that now. Should work if it starts raining pretty good. I can lower it down. We'll see what happens, folks. Mosquitoes are out in force right now. I gotta pull out the thermocells. But there's a little breeze, so I don't know how well that's gonna work. But the mosquitoes are out bad. Alright, let me set up my tent and stuff. Well, I got the tent set up. I just gotta throw in my sleeping bag and air mattress and pillow, all that stuff. So I'm gonna do that now. Some bass fishermen out there. It's still nice. Rain has held off for the most part. So I want to get all of this stuff in the tent before it rains. Well, I got everything set up. Now it's time to relax. Nice breeze, it feels good. The weather app says it's supposed to rain around 8 o'clock. And it is 2 o'clock now. Could do a little fire. Some of this wood's still dry. So hopefully this tarp will stay, and I'll stay dry. If it rains, it's gonna rain. I always wanted to come out here during a thunderstorm and rain. I got rain pants and 2 raincoats, extra dry clothes, everything. My backpack was heavy. I got an extra tarp and a poncho tarp. It's if I need to go into survival mode. Alrighty, everything's organized and situated. I'm gonna probably see if I can make a little fire. And you know what time it is. Step 2 time for my Monster Coffee energy drink. Well, I got everything organized and set up. Time for a Monster Coffee. I got the thermostat here, the thermostat here, but they're smoking. But there's so many mosquitoes out. I might start a fire, maybe that'll smoke them out. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon. It's supposed to rain later this evening and thunderstorms overnight. Hopefully. I've been trying to come out camping with a thunderstorm, and every time I haven't had any luck. But tonight, I'm pretty sure there might be. Oh, that's delicious. Cheers, everybody. Might hear some thunder too. So I'm gonna sit and relax, maybe start a little fire before the rain comes. I got my cart with firewood in it, my ice cooler. I'm good to go. I might double check the tarp here and figure out maybe if it's the best angle. I have rope and stakes ready to lower it if I need to. It's a good breeze, it feels nice. Cheers, everybody. I'm gonna relax and double check on these stakes on the tarp. Well, I got the fire started. It's going pretty good. It's kind of slightly sprinkling. Just a little drizzle. It's nice. Finishing up my coffee now. Got my food bag right there. Fire's warm. It's going pretty good. And I got plenty of firewood here. Let's see. A little windy, but it's going that way. I'll keep an eye on the embers. I didn't feel like bringing my gimbal today. I don't know, I just don't like getting it wet. I thought I'd like using it. It does work when you're walking around. But, oh, here comes the rain now. Yeah, baby. I kayaked over there on that island and camped in my other video. Before it sprinkles anymore, maybe I should get a little more kindling for another fire just in case. Maybe in the morning. It's supposed to thunderstorm in the morning. So I'm going to do that. But once you have a raging fire like that, when it's raining, you can keep the fire going. Started the fire just in the nick of time too. Before the kindling gets wet, I'm going to gather a little small kindling. Well, I got the fire still going. it was raining a little bit on and off, but everything's dry under here. I had to fold this back from the tree because the heat was getting too hot on the tarp. Didn't want to melt it, but I can fold it down and stake it right here and have like a little side wall if it gets too bad later, so that's good. Fire's nice and hot though. It's only 3:40 in the afternoon, so I have a Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. It's a little guy. Once I got everything set up and the fire made, it's actually quite relaxing. People don't understand how much work it takes to film a camping trip. Sometimes I don't feel like filming it, but it's a lot of work. There's other people that do 10 times better camping videos than me, but I appreciate everybody watching. A lot of work. Some of those camping videos I see, they do a lot of work. They set up the camera. They might have 2-3 cameras, or they record the whole hike in with different camera angles in the woods and them walking by, and then you gotta go back and grab the camera and then go up further and do it again. It's a lot of work. It's like half your time is spending with the camera in different angles. You can't enjoy the camp. But it is what it is, I guess. Pretty soon is the next month, September, is the airport part 3 challenge. Airport 3. I have a spot picked out. We'll see how it works. I gotta go buy a toy airplane. I don't have any toy airplanes. Maybe at the thrift store, or if it comes quick enough, some airplane toy on Amazon. So I got my firewood in there, thermocell, cooler, some dry kindling for probably tomorrow, food, raincoats, and all my essentials and sleeping in there. Oh yeah, that's going good now. Look at that. This trip I was going to do a no talking nature sound camp. What do they call that? The ASMR ones. But I don't think I could go the whole trip without saying something. If you want to see that, let me know. Comment down below if you want to see one of those. I'll shut up for a trip for you guys. Pretty soon it's the fall salmon season coming up in the river by my house. So maybe I got the shoulder chest strap harness for the GoPro or the Akaso. Might do one of those river fishing, salmon river fishing episodes. Couple boats out there still. carbonation. Excuse me. Yeah, the rain stopped again. I think it's supposed to thunderstorm after 9. $3:45. Still a little too early for dinner. So I'm probably just gonna sit and relax. That's why I came out here. Nice and quiet out here right now. Guess everybody's going in because there was thunderstorms later. See, if I was on the other side of the lake, you could see the sunset. I mean, you can't here anyways because of the cloud cover, but must be the calm before the storm. I gotta check the radar again. So we can go for a little walk. How about that? I'm gonna check out this other campsite that I camped at a few videos ago. It was my MRE review one. It's where I did the live and I rescued the jet skier out there. I like this site too, but it's a lot of roots and it's just really hilly and bumpy. Looks like someone camped here after I did, because there's some eggshells. But I had the tent right there. Well, let's go back. Might make a hot cup of coffee, a real one. Not sure, or maybe another Monster. It's beautiful in here, though. The fire's still going. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna check the weather. And still too early to have dinner for me. You usually don't see me have breakfast in the morning. I'm not a breakfast guy. I can't eat breakfast when I wake up. I need my coffee. I usually can't eat until after late afternoon, usually evening. I don't have breakfast or lunch. If I tried eating something for breakfast when I woke up with coffee, I'm sick for the rest of the day. I don't know, it's just my body. Just my routine schedule I had up my whole life. It's an actual beautiful evening. So I'm gonna check the weather right here. I brought too much stuff. I didn't bring my fishing pole. Right here is too shallow anyways. Thunderstorms possible after 11 p.m. They keep pushing it back. Storms at 11. Well, I'm hunkered down, so we're good. Alright, I gotta figure out if I want a hot coffee or my Monster. That fire is nice. this is where I did my survival camp. 3 days. Looks like some other people have been here. Had my tent right there. It's kind of slopes. Not bad. I think it's time to go back and have some sausages and ketchup, some hot dog rolls. I think I'll cook those over the fire. Gotta find a stick. Probably won't be too hard. So let's walk back up at the trail. I've just been sitting there relaxing by the fire. Fire's kind of warm. Now the sun's out. It says it's supposed to thunderstorm after 11. I really need to bring my fishing pole. Sunset's over there. Knowing my luck, we won't have any more rain or thunderstorms. Beautiful out here. Still 70 degrees out. Can't wait for winter. No bugs. There it is, folks. I heard some loons earlier. Tonight I am having Johnsonville Better with Cheddar smoked sausage. So I couldn't find a stick that'll work, so I got the little grill there. And I'm just gonna throw them on there. Oh yeah, probably 3 of them. And we'll see. All right. Gotta have the ketchup, Robin. Let's try it. Really good. Can't beat the view, huh? I got Swiss rolls and honey buns for later. Cheese and crackers. It's 7:15. It's supposed to be like this till probably about 11 o'clock. Well, I'm going to finish this last one. Maybe collect a little more driftwood, firewood. And I'm probably just going to relax for a while. I've just been sitting here next to the fire. It's pretty warm, pretty big fire. Found some more wood down by the water. It's burning pretty good. Got the thermocells going. My bag of snacks and stuff are in the tent. I had a couple more of those sausages. After I had the 3, I had 2 more. They were really good. It's 8 o'clock. I'm probably gonna watch Small Plots with Kevin and a few other videos that are saved on my phone. See the sky. Let's see if you can see the sky down here. Because it's about getting dark. It's 8 o'clock. There it is. And there's camp. So I'm gonna sit and enjoy the fire for a little while. Well, it's 8:30. Check the weather, and it's not supposed to thunderstorm until after 2 a.m. I'll probably be in bed by then. So I got the fire going. I got a few more pieces of firewood. I should have grabbed 2 bundles on the way here, but didn't want to haul it out. Just been watching some videos. I'm still full from dinner, so I don't know if I'm gonna have any snacks. Maybe later in the tent, but I'm just gonna sit here, relax, enjoy the fire, and watch some videos on the phone. And that's about it. Probably call it a night after that. So we'll see how tonight goes with the thunderstorms. Well, that's just about a full moon. Well, the fire's pretty much done with. I have no more firewood. Just been watching some YouTube videos. And I think it's almost about time to call it a night and head into the tent. Bugs are still out. So I'm gonna let this so-called fire dwindle out and put the fire down and head in. Haven't had any snacks yet. I'm still full after eating like 5 of those sausage rolls. Might have a couple snacks in the tent. Well, I'm in the tent. I changed into a different shirt and some shorts. I might have a couple of snacks and watch some YouTube videos. I got crackers. I got beef sticks and cheese. My soda. So I'm gonna call it a night after a couple videos and a little bit of snacks. It's a little hot in here, but I did bring my fan. I might hang it up on the hook there by the door, or just set it here on top of my backpack. But I'm gonna turn the fan on because it's a little warm in here. But if it thunderstorms later tonight and I wake up, I'll wake you guys up too. Maybe we can hear it, see lightning, whatever. But if not, I'll see you all in the morning. Good night, everybody.
Company, has there been a fallout, Uncle Ben? No, there's been no fallout, guys.
Good morning, everybody. I slept pretty good. I woke up around 3 or 4, I can't remember. Because it started raining really hard. I'm gonna have to go home and dry all of this stuff out. Dry the tent and the tarp out. But I think it's time to get out and make some coffee. I guess it's supposed to rain today too, but it didn't look like on the weather app. Someone mowing already. I think they mow that park like almost every day down in town. So anyways, let's go outside, take a look, see what it looks like. I don't think we're sitting in a mud puddle. I'm gonna have some coffee. So come on, let's go. Well, that water took forever to boil. New titanium pot. Pretty windy today. Drippity drip. Probably gonna storm later today too. Well, coffee is ready and hot. Cheers, everybody. It's sprinkling now. Ah, that's good. Well, I'm in no hurry to leave. But if it's raining out, I'll just enjoy my coffee and slowly start packing up everything in the tent. I got the wagon cart here, my raincoat. You just go back to the car with everything in the cart. I'll have to dry out the tent and the tarp when I get home. There's nothing better than having a nice cup of coffee in the morning by the water in the rain. And the mosquitoes are out still too. All right. Well, I'm gonna sit here and relax, enjoy my coffee, and then I'll see when I want to pack everything up. I stayed completely dry. I had the flaps on my tent opened up, so it was just a screen door, and I woke up when I filmed a few seconds of the sounds of the rain. The wind was blowing the rain in, got the end of my sleeping bag a little wet, but my feet were still dry. And a little condensation on the other side because the head of the tent, or the other side, is exposed outside of this tarp. But I stayed completely dry. You know, $60 tent for an all-season tent, can't go wrong. I'm not sponsored by them, but I should be. It's the River Country Products. And I got their backpack. I haven't tried it yet, but I bought those. And this $30 tarp from Amazon. Sorry for the wind. Feels nice though. It's like 62 Fahrenheit. It's not bad. Gotta have a little wet fire before I go, right? So you can start a fire in any kind of weather if you have some fire starter cubes. It's Duraflame fire start cubes. Here comes the rain again. That's alright. Fire was getting a little big with the wind anyways. Well, that was a short burst of rain. Well, I finished my coffee, enjoyed the wet fire for a little bit. It's getting late in the morning. I guess I can slowly pack stuff up in the tent. Oh, that's the worst part of camping, is breaking everything down and packing up. Because it never goes back into the bag like you do when you're packing at home to go out. So packing all this stuff up might take a little bit. I'll bring you all back in a little while. Well, it's pretty windy today. Fire's all out. That's where the tent was. Leave no trace. I'm all packed up, ready to go to the trail, back to the car. So thanks for joining me on Simple Outdoors, everybody. It wasn't a big thunderstorm, but we got a lot of rain. It's probably going to storm a little later, so I'm going to head back to the car. Thanks for joining me. I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody.